Hello everyone, you are on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to pay with cash on Uber Eats. Let's go. Pay with cash in Uber Eats is not available in all regions. Open Uber Eats. Sign in. Account. Wallet. Add payment method. Select cash. If there is no pay with cash, then it is not available in your region. Now you know how to pay with cash on Uber Eats. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.